For many people, a night of drinking can lead to the dreaded effects of a hangover. For those lucky enough not to know, a hangover refers to a set of symptoms that result from drinking too much alcohol. These symptoms include fatigue, weakness, dehydration, headache, muscle aches, nausea, stomach pain, vertigo, and the list goes on and on. Symptoms can vary from person to person depending on the level of imbibing. Fortunately, herbs like willow bark, chili peppers, and milk thistle may help ease these symptoms. Willow bark tea contains the same pain-relieving ingredients found in aspirin, but in much smaller amounts. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a pain-relieving compound that can be mixed with tomato juice the morning after a night out. Milk thistle seeds have been used to protect and aid the liver against numerous toxins, including alcohol. Here's a tip that may help you avoid hangovers. Visit Dherbs.com and try out Dherbs activated charcoal before your night out.